Hello everyone, welcome to my channel KidocraftKroft. Let's learn letter B. First, we are going to write letter B. Standing line, one curve and one more curve. Well done. B, letter B. Standing line, go up, come out and make a curve. This is also called letter B. And letter B makes the sound. What letter B says? B. 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 B says B. What are we going to make now? We're going to make letter B friend. Let's see. What are we making? What are we making? It's letter B, and B says B. 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 Take a scale and make a sleeping line now. Watch carefully. What is this? I don't know. Now, after drawing, let's trace the letter B. Trace the letter B. Standing line down. Go up and make a curve. Complete it. Very good. Now we're going to trace this also. Oops. Okay. Keep tracing. Very good. Keep tracing nicely. Okay. Now we have to decorate it. See what I have taken? Yellow color and blue color, and I'm using waste paper. Okay, it's waste part of the packets. There's lot of waste paper in our house, so take that paper colors. Be careful while cutting. Okay, take the glue and apply it. Use brush to spread it properly and evenly. Now first we are taking a yellow square and next we are taking a blue square. Next, which color we are going to put? Yellow. Next, blue. Yellow again. Blue. Apply the glue again. Spread it with the brush. Blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue again. So it's big. You can use scissors to cut it. No. We will put yellow here. No, same color. Yes, yellow. Blue. Yellow. Which color is this? Blue. Okay, we have to paste it nicely. What is this? What we have made. Now next, we will paste something on the handle. Purple color. This is purple color. We are going to take out purple color out of it. Now let's cut the small pieces and paste it on the handle. Apply some glue. Spread it. help of a brush. Now start pasting the purple color pieces. Oh, it's complete. What is this? Is it B for bag, bag, or is it B for basket? It's a basket. 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 B says basket. What are we doing now? We are making a nice shape of the basket. See how we are going to make it? It is looking good. Now let's use glue and paste it properly. Oh wow, our basket is ready. Basket. Wow, beautiful. Now Now what you have to do, like and subscribe my channel, okay? Thanks for watching.